Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kate Zaid and I absolutely love cosplaying characters that wear masks or helmets. There is something so exciting about transforming into these characters, and today I am thrilled to share my next special project with y'all. This is Queen Amidala in her red senator's gown, but in LEGO form. This project has been a dream cosplay of mine, and I cannot wait to go on this adventure with y'all. So, we're gonna break this down into 3 pieces of the cosplay. We're going to have the LEGO head that we're gonna work on first. Then we're going to move on to the headpiece, because if we can't do the headpiece, then there's no reason to tackle the dress, because the headpiece is going to make or break the cosplay, right? The dress is just extras. This piece will be everything. So dress is going to be the last. So let's get started with the head. So I found this file on Thingiverse that just had a helmet Lego head already sized and holes for eyes already in there. So I'm really hoping that this works out and it fits my head perfectly. But before wasting all the filament, I wanted to make sure that this headpiece I could figure out and find. So this STL that I found had the hair part already part of the file, so I thought that would work out perfectly. But as I was trying to size it to the Lego head to look like how the Lego head and the hairpiece are in the figure, I realized that this one isn't gonna work. There was like weird holes on top of the file, but not here on the Lego, and I didn't know if it was to accommodate fake hair or not, but I just didn't like how it was looking together, and I felt like it was too big to even print if I wanted to do it this way. So I decided to go with this piece that didn't have the hair, but it was just like the gold and red headpiece alone. But it came in multiple different pieces that I'm gonna have to put together like a puzzle. So after deciding which pieces to keep and which pieces to get rid of, because they were just duplicates, just cut different size pieces, I took the main part of the headpiece that's like right here, and I sized it to my Lego helmet. And once I was happy with the size and how it fit to the Lego helmet, I resized the other pieces to the same scale, and then I committed to printing out the Lego headpiece.
A few minutes later. 2 hours later. Tomorrow.
So it is 6 a.m. I'm all dressed and ready to go because I have things I need to do today, so I'm happy that I'm awake. But I woke up to my printer making some really weird noises, and it's still making weird noises. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, like that. I don't know why. If it fails going forward from here, it's okay, because the headpiece is going to cover anything that is above this point, but it's at like 90%. I started at 9 p.m. It said it was going to take 14 hours, but it looks like it's gonna finish before then, maybe because I sped up the speed, the printing speed right on the printer. Okay, so here is the Lego head. I am so excited to try it. Here are the eyes. Here are the eyes. So I'll put like the black eyes over it, and it should just blend right into the paint or whatever I choose to do. It's pretty big, but let's see how it fits. There is a part that's supposed to go like inside that is supposed to like keep my head from going all the way to the top. So we'll print that next. But I just want to make sure that it like can go over my head, which it looks good. Ooh. Oh, my head's big. Oh, my head's so big. Okay, how does one... I didn't resize it. I'm never gonna get this off, am I? This is fantastic. Okay, now. Why is my head so big? Oof. Okay. So if I were to print more Lego heads in the future, I will make them slightly bigger. Slightly bigger. And then tomorrow, I'm going to paint it. We're gonna need to figure out how to paint it to look like Queen Amidala. Am I gonna freehand it? I don't know, doubt it. I'm gonna try to maybe find a file to just like cut out the shapes. We're gonna have to figure out how to scale it properly and then like just put like permanent vinyl on it after I paint this white, or yeah, I don't know, or maybe get a stencil. I'm gonna have to figure it out, but we will find out. We'll find out. But yeah, this is what I did today, and I am excited to put the headpiece on the printer next and see how I'm gonna make that.